ఈరోజు మనం జనరల్ మ్యాథమెటిక్స్లో నెంబర్స్ కొన్నింటిని తెలుసుకుందాము. టెన్ పవర్ 1 is equal to 10. 10 square is equal to 100. 10 cube is equal to 1000. 10 power 4, 10,000. 10 power 5, 1 lakh. 10 power 6, 10 lakhs or million. 10 power 9, billion. 10 power 12, trillion. 10 power 100, 1 Google. 10 power 53, Tallakhanam. 10 power 52, Mahasandram. 10 power 140, Asamkhya. Even numbers. A number is even if it is divisible by 2. Example 2, 4, 6, 8. Odd numbers. A number is odd if it is not divisible by 2. Example 1, 3, 5, 7, etc. Prime numbers. A number is prime if it is not the product of two numbers other than itself and 1. For example 2, 3, 5, 7.